Welcome to the Intuitive Solutions online trainings. Intuitive Solutions provides sales, implementation, training, and support for SuiteMed. We also offer billing services as well as data hosting. You can find us online at www.intuitivesolutions.net or call our toll-free number at 877-889-1011. My name is Dwayne Prejean, and I will be training today on how to give an established employee a username, password, and rights. Please note, this training is dependent upon you loading in an employee provider through the Setup Office Employee Provider screens. The first thing we'll do is we'll log into the software. We will go under Setup and select Security. Once this screen loads, you'll see our employee provider that we've already added. We will find that person in the list and select their name. The next thing we'll do is click on Set Login ID Password. When this screen loads, we can put in our user ID, our password, and confirm password. Each one of these fields is case specific. In this example, I will load in the person's initials as their user ID. The user ID must be typed exactly the same each and every time the person will be logging into the software. Pick your appropriate case. The password is also case sensitive. And I will confirm the password. Here we can choose fax admin, backup administrator, or reminder administrator if this person is such an employee. If not, we just simply uncheck them and click OK. Next, you will notice that once it has returned, you can see the employee's initials next to their name. This is their user code that they'll be logging in with. The next thing we're going to do is we will give them rights. And you'll notice that everything is set to group. The left side, you see a grouping of your rights by a specialty. To move them from the left to the right, we can use the arrows in the middle of the screen. The double arrows on the top and the bottom will move everything over in the same direction that they're pointing. The rights on the left are our bank. The rights on the right are those that they have been assigned. If this is just an employee and not a provider, we can take physician out just by single clicking it and using that single arrow to move it back in the direction of which it needs to go. When we're done, we can click on Save. If you like, a more experienced user can go under the Grants column and assign each and every one of these grants. There are hundreds that you can take away or give as needed, or just simply leave them as the Groups field. When you're done, click on Save. This concludes today's training on how to load in a username, password, and rights. Thank you.